friends, today I noticed something on my terrace. Come on, let me show you what it is. I can notice it on many terraces. Friends, do you know what it is? It is a lightning rod. It can also be called as a lightning conductor. It is a metal rod mounted on a structure and intended to protect the structure from a lightning strike. Lightning rods are installed on the roof of tall buildings, monuments, apex of structures, statues, on a ship, etc. What are conductors and non-conductors? Conductors allow for charge transfer through the free movement of electrons, whereas insulators are materials that resist the free flow of electrons from the atom to atom and molecule to molecule. Metals are good conductors and glass, wood, plastics, these are not good conductors. Lightning rods are mainly made up of metals like copper. When lightning conductors are installed on monuments, statues, tall buildings, it gives protection to these structures. How? Let me tell you. Here I am going to explain you the importance of lightning conductor with the help of a diagram. Here you can see that there is no lightning conductor, and over here there is a lightning conductor. How it is helping the structure? I am explaining it to you. A lightning rod provides protection because they divert the charges from non-conducting parts of the structure, allowing it to follow the path of least resistance and pass harmlessly through the rod and its cable into the ground. Whereas here you can see the non-conducting material of building and trees caught fire, as these kind of material or objects resist the flow of charges and get heated up, but charges still flow through them and leads to fire and other damages. Does lightning strike only on building? No. Lightning can strike anything that can become electrically charged, including water. Tall towers are frequent targets of lightning strikes. Lightning strikes even a person. One of the studies says that annually around 240,000 people have incidences related to lightning. He is Roy Sullivan. What is special about him? Let us know. Roy Sullivan was hit by lightning on 7 occasions and survived all of them. For this reason, he gained the nicknames Human Lightning Conductor and Human Lightning Rod. Lightning usually targets tallest object, and so if you are on a plain ground, you may not be safe. Does lightning happen only from cloud to ground? No, it can even happen ground to cloud, cloud to cloud, cloud to air, and within cloud. Cloud to ground lightning and ground to cloud lightning are basically the same things. The reason of why it is sometimes called as ground to cloud is the flash you see in sky. The part of it is coming up from the ground. In cloud, lightning discharges are more common than cloud to ground lightning, but it's not very scary. You can follow certain tips and you can keep yourself safe. Also follow some tips when you are at home. Avoid water. Do not bathe, shower, wash dishes or have any other contact with water during a thunderstorm because lightning can travel through a building plumbing. Avoid electronic equipments. Do not use your computers, laptops, game systems, washers, dryers or any other connected to the electrical outlets. Dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to Q for Curiosity, share with everyone and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.